Okay, first we'll start with his neck. And the way we do this is take his neck out to the side right here. And you can see his happy face right there. And just give a nice adjustment. Same thing other side. Good job, bud. Now I'm going to have you lay on your side this way. Good. What we do here is we find segments that aren't moving the way they're supposed to, and just give it a little adjustment like that. Okay, Mickey, I'm going to have you lay face down now. Okay. Go ahead and put your hands right down there. Okay, go ahead and breathe all the way out, bud. You just give a little bit of pressure like this and a little push. Good. And okay, go ahead and look at the camera and give me a smile. Anyway, so that's how simple it is adjusting a kid. It's very safe, it doesn't hurt, and they always have a smile like that. So anyway, we'll see ya.